Hello children, welcome to Kerlaka Memorial CBSE School online classes. In our previous class we have completed exercise of 5th lesson up to 10th question. Today multiple choice questions A. Page number 346. John's annual income is 2,40,000. His annual savings amount to 40,000. The ratio of his expenditure to his saving is. So take this 2,40,000 divide by 40,000. This 40, this 40 cancels. 4 ones are 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. What is the answer? 6 by 1. Ratio is 6:1. So answer is first one. First question, option A, 6:1 is the answer. Next, second one, this is first. Second, the greatest ratio among the ratios 2:3, 5:8, 75:121 and 40:25 is. The greatest ratio among these 2:3, 5:8, 75:121, 40:25. Just do the simplification of this. So 2:3 means this is 2 by 3. 5:8, greatest they are asking. 75 by 121. And the last is 40 by 25. So by observing this, which is the biggest one? 75 and 21. In which by seeing this we will identify that 40:25 is the answer. B, 40:25. Next, third question. The ratio of the number of the sides of a rectangle and the number of the edges of a triangle is. The ratio of the number of sides are 4 and the rectangle and the number of edges of a triangle is. How many edges in triangle? 3. So ratio will be 4:3. That is A, 4:3. Then fourth one, 40% is expressed in decimals as. 40%. This we have to express in decimals. So this write in decimals. What will be the answer? It is 100. After 1 cents, 100 place it has to be. So answer is 0.4. 0 point is also same and 0.4 is also equal. Then answer is B, 0.4. Next, fifth one. 1/4 is expressed in percentage as. 1/4 should express in terms of percentage. What will be the answer? So 1/4 means this is the in 100%. I'll take this multiplication with 100. So 4 Then true or false? B. True or false? First one. 50 meter is to 40 meter is equal to 20 meter and 60 meter. Let's check whether this is proportion or not. So 50, 40, 20 equal to means nothing but proportion. So multiplication of means equal to multiplication of extremes. 40 20 is 20 zeros are 0, 24 is 800. Okay. Next 15 zeros are 0, 15 zigs are 900. So this is not equal. So the answer is false. They are telling equal to here. So this is not equal. Answer is false. First one is false. Second, 12 hours. 12 hours is to 30 hours equal to 8 kilometer is to 20 kilometer. So now again we have to identify the proportion or not. Multiplication of means is equal to multiplication of extremes. 8 3s are 24. 12 hours is equal to is to 30 hours. 8 kilometer is equal to 20 kilometer. 12 zeros are 0. Or else we can do like this. Just a minute. Simplify this both the equations. Both one. 12 by 30 is equal to then 8 by 20 is equal to. Simplify this. Both are in which table? So this is in 2 table. 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 6 and 15 both are in 3 table. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. So 2 by 5 is the simplification. 8 how much are 40? 8 1s are 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2 and 1 0. Then 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. See 2 and 5. 2 by 5, 2 by 5. Both are equal. So the statement is true. Third one. The ratio 5:4 is different from the ratio 10:8. Different from the ratio. Here also we need to check the ratio 5:4 is different from the ratio 10:8. Both we will check. Four 10s are 40, 5 is 40. These are equal, but they are telling different. So the statement is false. Next. Fourth one, 10% of 10 20 by 100. Fractional equivalent. Yes, this percentage is equivalent to this fractional equivalent. This is nothing but 20 by 100 only. So fifth statement is true. Next, fill in the blanks. C. Fill in the blanks. First one, 50% of 40 dash is 22. 50% of dash is 22 means 50 by 100 x or into x is equal to 22. We need to identify the x. So x is equal to 22 into 100 by 50. 51 is 50, 52 is 100. X is equal to 22 2 is 44. So answer is 44. 50% of 24 is C. First one is 44 is the answer. Second, 6% of dash hundreds. 6% of dash hundreds means, so this is the fraction. 6 is the answer. 6 hundredths. Third one, the ratio of the perimeter of a boundary of the shaded portion to the perimeter of the whole figure is. First, the ratio of the perimeter of the boundary of the shaded portion. Okay, how many are there? Total we need to identify first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Boundary 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The ratio of the perimeter of the boundary of the shaded portion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 are the boundary boxes, and portion to the perimeter of the whole figure is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this answer is 5 is to 9. Fourth one, the ratio of the area of the shaded portion to that of the whole figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the shaded boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 are the unshaded. 5 is the 5 2 the. So 1 is to 2 is the answer. Fifth one, if x, 24, 9 and 12 are in proportion, then x is equal to x, 24, 9 is to 12. So means x into 12, x is equal to 24 into 9 by 12. 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 9 2 is 18. Answer is 18. Next, so next question is match the columns. D. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are the statements. 9 is to 91 is to 143 can be reduced to 7 is to 11. So they have divided it. What it is called it as? Equivalent form, mean values, unitary, simplest form, proportion, extreme values. So this is the simplest form. So join to T. Next 2 is to 7 is equal to 4 is to 40. What is this? This is proportion. This will join it to proportion E. Then if we multiply both 5:7, we get its equivalent forms. A is the answer. Then the terms which are neighbors of equal in A:12 is equal to 8:B. Equal to neighbors ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 12 and 8. ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? That is mean values. Okay. First one is joined to D, simplest form. Second one joined to E, proportion. Third one joined to A, equivalent forms. Then fourth one joined to A, B, that is mean values. Next there is a one word problem. Start reading it. E. Mohanlal is a retired schoolmaster. He is a retired schoolmaster. After his retirement, he shifted back to his village. He found that only 220 children out of 330 go to school. He started a campaign to convince parents to send their children to school. As a result, a number of students attending school rose to 300. See, Mohanlal was a retired schoolmaster. After retirement, again he went back to his village, and there he observed that out of 330 students, only 220 students are attending the school. So that he start campaign. After his campaign, again the school strength rose to 300. So on the basis of this data, there is the first question A. Solution. What is given in the question? Total number of children is equal to 330. Students attending before campaign is 220. After campaign is equal to how much? 300. Now A. Before this campaign, what was the ratio of the children who attend the school? Ratio of children before campaign is equal to, what was the students attending to school is 220. Total number of students are 330. Simplify this. 0 0 cancels. 11 2s are 22. 11 3s are 33. Answer is 2:3. 2:3. Then B. B is after campaign. After campaign, children is equal to, what was the strength rose after campaign is how much? 300 by 330. Out of students 330, 300 was starting to go to school. 0 0 cancels. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 10s are 30. So 10 is to L1. These are the answers. After campaign, the ratio of the students attended to school is 10:11. Before campaign, it is 2:3. Okay. Today the term 1 portion has completed from your textbook, and in the tomorrow's class we will start term 2 classes. Term 2 lessons of mathematics we will start, So up to where you have written, after that term 2 you write and start first lesson. Okay, till today you have to complete your all fair writing, and if you have any confusions you can ask, call me, and you can solve your problems. Okay, thank you.